friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. So in our channel we will be dealing with the homeopathic subjects, practical orientation and academic orientations. So if you are interested in these type of subjects, please subscribe our channel, and you will be getting the notifications whenever I upload the videos. I will be uploading around 3 to 4 videos in a week, friends. So this is useful for homeopathic practitioner and homeopathic students. So today's subject, friends, I wanted to talk about homeopathic aggravation. So this is the introductory session of this homeopathic aggravation. So there are 2-3 masters who have totally stressed on this homeopathic aggravation. What are the reaction when you give the homeopathic medicine for the patient? So ultimately, the first thing what I wanted to focus is homeopathic aggravation in our organon of medicine 157, 158 and 159, 160. These are the aphorisms wherein Hahnemann has explained when the medicine has given, what are the reactions occur in the patient. So, and Kent also stressed on this point by telling how the homeopathic aggravations occur and what are the things to be taken care. And Herbert Robert is one of the master who has written a philosophy book in our homeopathy. He is also stressed and given a total big chapter of drug reaction in the patient. He has taken so many examples and he has talked about how the drug reaction happens in the body. So he has given on the 5 to 6 scenarios wherein the medicine when given will be acting in different levels. So this is all we will be dealing with. I wanted to summarize all these things. Ultimately, the homeopathic aggravation, if you understand, you will get to know how the dosing of the patient to be done. So this is the basic aspect of the homeopathy, wherein you will understand a little bit of posology and a little bit of drug aggravations, disease aggravations, and whenever the patient takes the homeopathic medicine, what are the reaction to be expected and what are the things we must be prepared to after giving a medicine for the patient. This is all about this homeopathic aggravations, friends. So Dr. Kent and Dr. Herbert Robert has explained in their own way. I will be taking part 1, part 2, part 3. I wanted to. This is a introductory session, friends. So in short, if I want to tell you about homeopathic aggravation, this is the aggravation occurring in an acute disease or in a chronic disease whenever you give a symptom similarity medicine for the patient. So the aggravation occur in the patient in acute diseases in the first hour of the medicine, first hour of giving of the medicine, and in this one chronic diseases it may occur in the first day or second day. So how it occurs, what are the points to be noted, and how the progress of the disease or the prognosis of the patient we can get through by knowing the totality of this homeopathic aggravation, friends. So this is all today introductory session about homeopathic aggravation. So if you like this video, please send this video to your friends and your colleagues. Whoever are interested in homeopathy, please join our channel and we will make an effort to create a master touch homeopathic physicians. So this is the main aspect which I am interested in, because nowadays what is happening is the homeopathic graduates or the postgraduate homeopathic doctors are not getting proper information how to go with the patients. So all I am taking in detail so that one young doctor or a young homeopathic physician can know and practice it practically. It can be applied and he can get very good results if he follow our channel, friends. So this is all today, friends. If you like this video, please share the video. Thank you and take care.